In today's video, we are going to show you how to import bills into Xero. Whether you're migrating from another system or just want to upload bills in bulk, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. And then on the top corner, I want you to click the purchases. And then hover to the bills. Now, there are two ways for you to import bills into Xero. Number one option is by clicking the new bill and then click the upload bills. Here, you can drag and drop the files or select manually in your computer. You may notice that there is a file limit, and these are gonna be the file types that is accepted in Xero. That's one way. But my suggestion is that you go here and click the import from CSV instead. Now, why? Here in Xero, when importing bills, downloading the official CSV template is crucial because, for one, it ensures Xero requires bill data to follow a specific structure. For example, contact name, date or due date, description, quantity, unit amount, and this prevents errors during upload. Because if column names or formats don't match exactly, Xero will reject the import. Okay, so the template helps you avoid issues. Now, all I have to do is click the download the Xero template. Now, open the template in Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers, and then fill out all the information needed. Once you do, hover down below where you can see the import the updated file template. Select the file or you can drag and drop. In this case, we're gonna click the open right here. And then once you've done that, there are a couple of options at the bottom. If you'd like to update the contract address details, or if you want the unit amount field tags, it's up to you. And then click the confirm button. Now, if there are errors, Xero will show you which line needs fixing. Simply correct the CSV and upload that again. After the import is successful, you need to go back to the bills to pay. You'll see all the imported bills listed and click any bill to review the line items and attachments. If everything looks correct, basically you're done. And that's how you import bills into Xero. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.